Welcome to my channel. I am Garima. I'm so happy you clicked on this video. For someone who wants to start reading and doesn't know how to stay consistent, this is exactly what you need. I'm going to share 3 simple and powerful steps that helped me build my reading habit, and trust me, if you follow them you can do it too. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. The first and the most important step is pick up the right book that is aligned with your nature and your current needs. A lot of people make this mistake. They pick a book that looks smart, not the books they actually enjoy. There are specifically 2 types of reading. One is reading for self-growth, one is reading for entertainment. Reading for entertainment includes love stories, fiction, psychological thriller, drama, books that makes you feel something, that pulls you into different world. And fiction book is really a great place to start for a beginner, because let's be honest, if we do not enjoy something, we won't continue it. Reading for growth includes self-help, emotional health, mental health, productivity, mindset, books that actually help you become a better version of yourself. Here's the thing, if you're someone who is already going through something emotionally and you want to change your life, these books can literally change your way of thinking. For example, books like The Alchemist, The Atomic Habit, or The Silent Patient. If you enjoy psychological depth, these books doesn't just tell stories, they make you reflect. Do not force yourself into a category just because it's popular. If you love romance, read romance. If you love psychological books, read psychological thriller. If you love drama, read drama. You should read books that matches your personality. That way reading stops feeling like a task. It feels like an experience. You enjoy it more that way. Second step is something that most people struggle with. Commit to the book. Now I know what you're thinking, what if the book is boring? I know sometimes some books can feel boring, and they are boring, but most of the time what happens is your mind is just not trained and it's not focused yet. Especially if you are not used to reading, your brain is used to cheap dopamine like Instagram, scrolling, reels. So when you sit with the book, it feels slow, and that is exactly why you should commit to the book. Tell yourself, no matter what, I will finish this book. Because when you finish one book, something inside you changes and you start believing, okay, I can actually do this. And also every book teaches you something. Even if it's not your favorite, you will still take away a lesson, a perspective, or a thought. But yeah, there is a balance. If you read a book and you do not feel connection to the book, yes, you can switch to the other book. The goal is not to torture yourself but to build a habit. So commit, but also be aware of your experience. Third important step is setting a reading target, because without a plan, consistency doesn't happen. You need to decide how much will you read daily. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 10 minutes. When will you read? Afternoon, morning, or before sleeping? When will you finish the book? 2 months, 2 weeks, a month, a week. Make it very specific. For example, you can decide that you will read every day for 15 minutes before sleeping, and trust me, reading before bed is one of the best habit you can build. So yeah, these were the 3 simple steps that you can follow. One is pick up a book that is aligned with your nature, set a reading target, and commit to the book. If you follow just these 3 steps, you can genuinely build a reading habit even if you have never read a book before. I just want to say one thing, do not rush into your reading. You don't have to read 50 books a year. Just pick one book, start with one book and slowly read it. Feel your experience, because one book can change your thinking and your thinking can change your life. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and share, and also comment what books are you planning to read. I will see you in the next video. Bye.